can you do that when I couldn't?
Winter storm warning in effect from 12:45 a.m. Tuesday to 1 a.m. Western Standard Time Tuesday for elevations above 1,200 feet. Heavy snow expected for elevations above 1,200 feet. Total snow accumulations between 2 and 8 inches from 500 feet to 1,000 feet. Between 9 and 18 inches from 500 feet to 1,200 feet. And up to 24 inches above 1,200 feet. Winds gusting as high as 60 miles per hour. Where? Anchorage and Big Lake. When? From 12:45 a.m. Tuesday to 1 a.m. Western Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts. Travel can be very difficult over Big Lake and other routes within or adjacent to Anchorage. Dangerous backcountry conditions will exist, especially for those recreating in the high country of Wasilla due to reduced visibility and draw conditions. Precautionary/preparedness actions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by calling 511 or visiting the MDT Road Report website.